Top 5 Best Dog Clippers in 2020. Number 5. Wahl U-Clip Pro Home Pet Grooming Kit. Best-selling thanks to its price and ideal dog clippers for starters who are not after top quality. This is an okay dog clipper in itself, although the Wahl U-Clip tends to not last long enough because of its poor adjustable steel blades. It offers 7,200 strokes per minute, so it generally does well with all types of coats. It is very noisy and makes earthquake-like vibrations. Definitely to be avoided if you've got a scared dog or a small-sized pet or breed. The upside of the Wahl U-Clip Home Grooming Kit is perhaps the kit over the clipper. It comes with a bonus instructional DVD and grooming apron, but one could argue that with YouTube, grooming video tutorials are pretty easy to find. As simply put in a customer's feedback, these clippers are very heavy and loud. After only a few minutes my hand was tired. They also do a poor job of shaving, and I have a Pomeranian that I shave all the time. I had to resort to using my old set because they just didn't do much of anything except cut my baby under her arm. Coming in number 4. Oster A5 2-Speed Professional Clippers. The Oster A5 is a corded dog clipper offering decent features, power, and is also pretty durable considering the price. It delivers 3,000 strokes per minute on low speed and 4,000 strokes per minute on high speed. They are labeled as heavy-duty dog clippers by Oster, but we disagree. It is a great dog clippers for occasional groomers or to groom your own pets at home, but it wouldn't do well on an intensive regime, we think. World-recognized Oster is a very reliable brand, made in the USA, and their products are definitely great overall. We just think this is a perfect clipper for one dog groomer, but for frequent grooming and trimming sessions, the dog clippers described above should do a much better job, for not a big price difference. Coming in number 3. Wahl Motion Lithium-Ion. Such a versatile clipper that allows you to perfectly do all the prep work as well as the clipping. It does come with the now famous Wahl's 5-in-1 Pro Blade set with 5 adjustable sizes: number 9, number 10, number 15, number 30 and number 40. The Wahl Motion Professional Clipper provides a lot more to work than its competitors. A dog's back and neck tend to grow thicker hair and most clippers will struggle a little, but the Wahl Motion will kick in a gear that will make the whole clipping an extremely smooth experience for both the dog and the groomer. Look-wise, this is perhaps the most eye-catching clipper currently available. It boasts a new slim design with an exceptionally lightweight case. Wahl Motion Clipper is amazingly quiet and has no vibration, yet is very powerful with up to 5,500 strokes per minute. The Wahl Motion offers a removable handle that is scissor grip style. It allows for great control and ergonomy. Just like the Bravura listed above, the Motion has a new lithium-ion battery with the exact same benefits explained above: more power, to work and charge cycles. You can easily do 3 dogs, full bodies, in one charge while using it as a cordless dog clipper. It is pretty unique and amazing. All in all, it is a better version of the Bravura but also more expensive. Weirdly, in the United Kingdom, the Motion seems cheaper than the Bravura. So it's a no-brainer. Coming in number 2. Wahl Bravura Lithium Professional. Wahl's new lithium clippers have the most advanced rechargeable battery innovations. Indeed, batteries powered by lithium provide a lot more power, to work and charge cycles. They also have no more memory effect than other regular batteries. The Bravura's battery is charged up in 60 minutes and lasts 90 minutes. Yep, amazing stats. Bravura has a 5-in-1 adjustable snap-on blade which adjusts from 0.7 mm to 3 mm. Its intelligent motor increases power and blade speed through thicker coats to deliver a smooth and perfect cut. The blade here does not overheat, it makes it ideal for intensive use. Available in pink, purple, and gunmetal, the Wahl Bravura Lithium Clipper is a beautiful tool. It holds itself very well and definitely feels sturdy. It is lightweight and quiet thanks to its low vibration technology. The Mini Brav Plus is even more of a silent clipper for anxious dogs. Each clipper is supplied in a hard case, coming with it a charging stand as well as a detachable blade kit. Additionally, a snap-on attachment comb for the Brav Mini, cleaning brush, clipper oil, and instructions are to be found in the case. It was going to be our all-around professional dog clipper winner, but it missed it simply because of its single speed. Coming in number 1. Andis XL 5-speed clippers. A heavy-duty multi-speed corded dog clipper that has been built using the lightest materials to make it become the lightest heavy-use clipper out there. Roughly 6.5 inches from top to bottom, it is not the smallest clipper out there, but its lightweight compensates its rather bold size. It features an ergonomic and comfortable shape for an easy hold for long periods of time, and also a nice addition to it is the wraparound anti-slip rubber gripper. Speed-wise, it boasts 5 speeds, starting from 2,500 strokes per minute and going up to 4,500 strokes per minute. The result is a sharp and neat cut, even after hours of use. The blades used are number 10 ceramic edge blades, but you are definitely able to use other blades from other major manufacturers, such as Oster and Wahl. We recommend keeping ceramic blades as they stay sharper longer and they run at a much lower temperature and avoid excessive heating compared to steel running on steel.